So, anyway, the 240 Project Pig Nose, which we still have not fully named yet, is completely up and running. It is a fully functioning car. Basically, the only other tools are on it, and we're just tinkering, tightening, checking things, and a few other little things to go over, you know, basically. But we could hop in it and drive it for a good while right now, as far as we know. But it occurred to me that we'd never given you a full, like, daytime, in-depth view of exactly what it was we bought. Now, we've taken a couple things off this car since we bought it, like the nitrous system. At least out of the back anyway. It had to come out so we could get a new fuel pump and fuel hanger assembly. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of exactly what it is we bought. This is a 1990 Pig Nose 240 SX, which you can, for anybody that's out there in the 240 world that's maybe just learning, that bumper right there is what they nickname the Pig Nose version. I think it's like a 2-year only kind of deal. Some people like them, some people don't. I'm indifferent. 240 is a 240 to me. It's all cool. We bought it as you see it anyway. It had these 17-inch forged Enkies on them. It has a Greddy Evo 2 full exhaust. I haven't been up underneath it yet, but I'm told it's a full exhaust all the way back. It's got cross-drilled slotteds on it, and the Power Stop is going to be providing us with a full brake kit for this thing here shortly. We're just waiting on some shipping issues. This color is a factory Nissan color. I literally think it's called like light green. Something to that effect. I'm sure somebody in the comments will tell me I'm wrong, because I probably am. I cannot find too many hatches in this color from factory. There's a lot of mint hatches out there, but this is not that. This is a little bit different than that. It's got a weird kind of, not a pearl, but it's just different. You can kind of see it there on the fender. It changes color a little bit depending on the way the light hits it. Yeah, cross-drilled slotteds all the way around. It had a 75-shot wet nitrous system in it. It came with this engine intake. Yes, that filter's disgusting. We'll be getting a new one. It just was the one that came with the pipe. I shined up this engine intake the other day. It's even a little grody now, but this thing had a radiator overflow on it, and it was disgusting. Had to throw a new battery in it. Yes, that's a windshield wiper about to touch the battery there. This is a single cam KA24E. It has been ported and polished, the intake manifold and the head. The original owner had it done. You can see the remnants of the nitrous system there. I'll take that out. Came with this Stillen strut tower. Yeah, a lot of old school tech under there. A lot of extra PCV and vacuum, secondary air injection, a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah. So it's got all new plugs and wires, and the intake has been all cleaned out, and MAF has been updated and everything. Let's see here. So that's basically the outside. Inside, we have a ton of new parts for it. The back of this car is mint condition. There's not even a scratch in the back of that car. This seat, pretty good. That seat over there has seen better days. So, original guy that owned this probably didn't have a girlfriend or a boyfriend or whatever, because there's almost no damage on that seat. Door panels are off because they were grody. I scrubbed them down. I got the mold off of them. They're currently at the shop getting wrapped in carbon fiber, along with the JDM drag wing that we have. It'll be wrapped in matching carbon fiber. The plan for this is probably carbon fiber or vinyl. This is just as dirt. It'll all come off. The paint on this thing is as perfect as it can be for, 30 plus years old. Carpet inside is still good. No cracks on the dash. Basically what you see on the shifter right there is what the door panels look like. So we have a new 6-speed knob anyway. That shifter is, I forget what brand it is, but it is the nicest feeling shifter I've ever felt in any car. It's a literal short throw. The actual lever isn't any shorter, but the throw is shorter, which is correct. We're working on, we got an e-brake cover, but it didn't fit, so we're working on finding one that does fit. Sweet tweed glove box. We have a new steering wheel with quick release. I think you guys have probably seen that before. I don't know if I mentioned it's got Hotshot headers on it, which was mind-blowing. I didn't even know Hotshot made headers for a single cam. But yeah, it's got the old Hotshot headers on it, and if you, it's tough to see, but down there, that red pulley you see at the bottom of the screen right there is it's either a Stillen or a Jim Wolf Technology underdrive pulley. This car also, you can see we've replaced the brake master cylinder, clutch master cylinder, and this car also came with 3 different computers. According to the original owner, the one that is in it currently is a Jim Wolf Technology stage 1 or 2. I'm not really sure what that means. He gave us 2 apparently stock computers, and we're gonna send them all out and have them checked and see exactly what's going on with them. But that's a quick rundown of what we got for $1,300 US dollars. That's 1300 US dollars. 5-speed, LSD, everything you would ever want. So yeah, that's Project Pig Nose. So now you're up to date, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this car. It's going to be getting wrapped and sponsored by Dunkin' Donuts probably, and all kinds of crazy stuff. So stay tuned.